I just got a new MacBook Air M4 with 32 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte hard drive. I'm going to film the unboxing. We're going to take a really close look at the MacBook Air M4. Then I want to do some comparisons with my MacBook Pro M1 that I've been using up until now. Got the AirBook. Got a charging cable, USB-C to the magnetic Mac port. Warranties. And here is the charging brick. It is about half the thickness of my MacBook. And I did get the 15.9-inch monitor. I'll go ahead and do a setup. Okay, now we're gonna compare the Mac Air with my old MacBook Pro. See, there's a bit of a size difference right there. I weighed them. The MacBook Air weighs 3 pounds 53 ounces and the MacBook Pro weighs 3 pounds 86 ounces. There's a 33-ounce difference. I do miss the inputs that the MacBook Pro has compared to the MacBook Air, but the cost was over $1,000 for the MacBook Pro, and the only difference I could see were the inputs. I ordered the same machine with the M4, the 32 RAM, and the 1 terabyte hard drive. The things I preferred with the MacBook Pro were the inputs. The stereo sound was much better with the MacBook Pro, and really and truly, I couldn't tell that much difference with the screen images. The MacBook Air is really fast. You execute a command and it is done. I could tell a definite speed between the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. Here are some of the screen images side by side. See if you can tell which one is which. With the MacBook Air, I love the trackpad. There is no effort at all using it, especially compared to the MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro feels real clunky, the keyboard and the mouse, compared to the MacBook Air. And the trackpad could be set up any way you wanted. They had options for point and click, scroll and zoom, and then even more gestures. All in all, would I recommend that someone upgrade from the MacBook Pro M1 to the MacBook Air M4? If I weren't a tech geek, my MacBook Pro did everything I wanted it to do. I wasn't having any problems with it. I just like to have the newest gadgets. I am really happy with the MacBook Air and I don't regret getting it. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.